Good morning, Jcationers. We're here at our Airbnb in Forbeswood. We're headed over back to Market today. My parents want to go do a little shopping, and then we're gonna hit up another spot. What's up, Jcationers? We are back on the G7X. Mari got it fixed. Thanks, bro.
No problem, bro.
It's Mama and Mari's first day here in the Philippines. We're here watching Carpool Karaoke, Paul McCartney.
Yep.
They're hungry. They want to try some Locavore. I know we've already been to Locavore, guys, but they haven't yet, so we're gonna go there and have some brunch.
Let's go.
Look at this G7X. I love having a camera this small and I can actually look at the screen. My Sony, I've been having, it's kind of hard not having a screen. I forgot how dope this G7X is. So we're here at Locavore right now. Ordered some different stuff out of the menu. We got the oyster lechon sisig this time around, and I'll have my parents tell you what they ordered.
I ordered the Tocilog, that green mango shake.
I ordered bangus with brown rice.
Mom got the Longsilog, which is bangus silog, and dad got the Tocilog. I didn't order much because my stomach hurts. So, the lechon oyster sisig, but I'm only gonna have a little bit of it. Hey Mari, what's panghimagas?
Panghimagas is dessert, so you need something sweet after lunch or dinner.
Hey bro, why's the Turon round?
I don't know. It's not what I do. I think they just wrap it.
Deep fried?
Deep fried.
Hi, Umesh.
Look at this mother.
What?
Mother, nanay.
What's up with the camera on my face?
Alright guys, so that was Locavore for the third time. Had to take my parents there. They wanted to try it out, so why not go back and try it out again. But I need a haircut, guys. I'm gonna go try to find a spot to get a haircut. There's a spot called Bruno's around here. I want to get a haircut. I haven't had anybody but 2 people in my life the last 5 years cut my hair. Mark in Barcelona and Hape in San Diego. Shout out to you guys. Salamat. So it's been 3 weeks. Your boy needs a haircut, so we're going to find a haircut spot. Alright guys, got a new cut. Tried to get it the same as I got the last time. I didn't style it. Mari got a cut too. 300 pesos, which is what, $6? So that's about half the price I pay for what I pay in Barcelona. But I'll be honest with you guys. Yeah, and a massage. They give a nice massage. I'll be honest with you guys. I feel like I was cheating on Hape and Mark. But I'm in the Philippines for 6 weeks. I have no choice. I ain't gonna let my hair grow that long. All good. It's all good. It was alright. I'll see you in a few weeks, Hape. You'll get me back to where I need to be. Alright guys, gotta do my laundry. Headed over to a spot where I'm just gonna drop it off, and hopefully they can do it in 24 hours tomorrow. So I'm gonna drop it off. Hopefully get some clean underwear.
Nasty. Hello everybody.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What's up, Jcationers? We're here at Wrong Ramen. Since we had Filipino for brunch today, we're switching it up and we're going with the ramen. Me and Mom got the communist ramen, and Mari got the tonkatsu rich. So we're just hanging out. We're just literally hanging around the condo. They're jet lagged, so we're just chilling. So I got the Katipunan craft beer, Indio Pale Ale. Always trying the local beers while I'm here, even though they cost more than a sandbag. So we're walking around Bonifacio High Street, showing my parents a few spots. Starting to notice a few other bars that I didn't check out while I was here, and they're gonna be showing the World Cup games too. Tonight it's Russia versus Uruguay. Suarezito. Morning, JKtioners. Day 2 here in BGC Part 2, and we're here at Shea Bing's. That's big. And this is a 5,000 peso breakfast. We got mangoes, fish, brown rice, and longanisas. Mangoes. And here's old man Mari. We're here at our Airbnb in Forbeswood. We're really close to my cousin's place. He's literally across the street from me. We're headed over back to Market today. My parents want to go do a little shopping, and then we're gonna hit up another spot. Anyways, see you in a bit. What's up, guys? We're back here at Market. Rainy days, we had to take a grab over. My parents want to do some stuff, do some shopping. So we're gonna hit this up and hit up a couple other places. So a little update, there's another money changer called Sunrise here in Market, and actually the rate was a little better. If I knew that, I would probably have gone in here, but I didn't see it.
Flashback.
Found the money change. It was 60 pesos to the euro.
End of flashback.
So 3 weeks later, it's 61.70 here at Sunrise for the euro too. 3 weeks later, it's gotten better. Back it out. It's a thing for my parents to go eyeglass shopping every time they come back to the Philippines. Getting a prescription eyeglasses is a little cheaper here, so they definitely take advantage of it. They like to pick up a pair when they're here. I literally ruined like 2 pairs of Nikes while I was in Quran. Haven't been able to wear them since. They're just freaking reek. I tried to even get them laundried, and it doesn't work. So I've been wearing these cheap ass 200 peso fake Nikes. It's rainy outside, so I'm not trying to ruin my last pair of Flyknit. I just tawad for a Kobe Bryant jersey. They were trying to sell it to me for 600. I got it down to 500. I was trying like 400, but they wouldn't go for that. So I just went for the 500. It's 10 bucks, 10 US. Hey bro, no lock on glasses? They had like Oakleys and
Pretty flimsy.
what was the name? What did they say that Callaway golf was? Callaway?
Sir, there's a call-away.
What did you say?
What the hell? What's a call-away? I have to find out it's Callaway.
Callaway, San Diego brand. Shout out to the newest Tayabas, Matt and Marianne Tayaba. Congratulations, guys. I'll see you when I get home. Tayaba Yama cake. Looks good. Hey, what did you guys get?
Got some
Mango right there.
It was 220, but I got it for 200.
What else?
And some mangosteen. Mangosteen and mango.
What is mangosteen?
This one right here, it's like santol. It's supposed to be good for diabetes.
Do you want santol? The sampalok candy is very good.
And from?
From Laguna.
Where?
I think in Cabuyao has that.
And where's that? What is it? Where you're from?
I'm from Cabuyao, Laguna.
So me and Mari are back here at the Airbnb, having a couple beers for our boy Anthony Bourdain.
Tony.
Cheers, guys! This is apple flavored beer. Here, Mari, try this beer. Pretend
Oh, no,
just
no.
try it. Just try it.
Sucks.
Just try it.
It's like apple
No, just try it.
cider.
Just try it. What a chicken!
Oh,
It's good. It tastes like apple juice. So Mari's been buying Siopao at that 7-Eleven the last 2 days, and apparently it's really popular here to buy Siopao at 7-Eleven. Random. Hey mom, what's inside Siopao?
I think it's pork and it's sweet and fresh.
And then you put Siopao sauce on it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Hey guys, we're back here a few weeks later, back with the cuz again. This time with my parents. Din Tai Fung.
My kids
Did you watch it?
Are they allowed to do that?
What's up, JKtioners? So we're back here in San Diego with my parents. Hey. So that's it for our first vlog in Manila. You're gonna see them the rest of the time in the Philippines. Mom, what do you say to my subscribers?
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Subscribe.
Kain na tayo.
Let us know, have you been to Market before? Have you been to BGC? If you have any questions or anything about BGC you want to talk about, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video, JKtioners. We're headed to the Venice Canal in the Philippines. What is that? What is that, Madi?
It's the replica of the Venice Canal in Italy, but it's in McKinley, Philippines.
McKinley Hill near Fort Bonifacio. See you guys in the next video. Kain na!